Today you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new chain mechanism supplied by Lovelight. Quick Blind 101. To get you familiar with our product, here is a chain tensioner, chain mechanism, and a pin end, or idle end of the blind. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, release the chain tensioner from the wall. Simply release the chain tensioner from the chain. Use one hand to hold onto the blind and use the other to release the pin from the bracket. When releasing the pin from the mechanism, the blind will release, allowing you to put the blind down on the ground. The chain mechanism will be required to slide out of the tube as demonstrated. Lovelight will supply you a new chain mechanism and chain attached. Simply place the mechanism into the tube, aligning the mechanism and the tube correctly. Once complete, reinstall the blind into the brackets. Place the chain drive into the bracket first, sliding it down until it clicks. Press the idle end and lift the blind into place, and release the pin into the hole until you hear a click to indicate the blind is secure. If required, re-secure your chain tensioner. Well done! You have successfully reinstalled your blind. For more information, please visit our website www.lovelight.com.au.